Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Discord app not working problem. So if you also want to fix Discord app not working problem, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if your application is not working, there might be various reasons for that. First of all, make sure you're connected to a stable network. If you're not connected to a stable internet connection, your application might not be working because of that reason. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. If you're connected to a stable network but still your application is not working, that might be because of various other reasons. The first reason might be because you're not using the latest version of the application. In that case, what you have to do is update your application. So in order to update your application, first of all, launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now over here what you have to do is type in Discord. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the option for Discord over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here right now you can see two options, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. If you see open option over here, that means your application has been updated and you're using the latest version of the application. So this should solve your problem. But if your application is still not working, what you can do is try clearing the cache of the application. For that, simply open the app library on your device. Now over here what you have to do is find the application for Discord. Once you find the application for Discord, all you have to do is long press on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for app info over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to the app info interface of Discord. You'll be able to find several options over here. Over here what you have to do is find the option for storage and cache. Once you find the option for storage and cache, all you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage and clear cache. Simply tap on the option clear cache. After that, the cache of your application will be cleared and your application should start working now. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is try uninstalling the application and install your application again. After that, your application will definitely work. So that is how you fix Discord app not working problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.